I was backing into this stall. I came in right here. This 94 is right on the hill there. But cutting this corner and backing into this one stall that was open, all of a sudden you hear the air on the dash start leaking. And it looks like I broke a Gladhand. See, it broke right off. So I bought a new one. I gotta put that one on. And you need the pipe tape. That way it doesn't leak. It'll look like this. You put it on. The vice grips to hold the Gladhand here. And the crescent is the only big one I have. I'll get that broken loose. Take that off. And insert the new one I bought here at the Pilot. I do have backups just in case it does happen. I removed the new seal and put the real nice ones on, polypropylenes. Those are a lot better. And then I should be good. We'll see how it looks when I'm done. Alright, that's all done. See how the pipe thread tape. That seals it up. You gotta do that so you don't have any air leaks. With the new Gladhand on there, it looks really nice. That's about a 5-minute job, 10 minutes no more. You really take your time, but it wasn't that hard because I already put the new ones on before. So we'll see how that works. And I always put this back up on there. Back to normal. Now I can go ahead and put air in the system and back in all the way. But I bounced it all the way in. I was already positioned. I was turned and then it broke. I straightened it out before all the air ran out. And then because the pavement's all pretty well wet, I slid it in. But I got to move it over about a foot.